Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reacting to Honk by Nona. The music video just came out today. I've reacted to them like maybe twice before and they slayed, ate it hard. These Indonesian, right? These Indonesian queens. Yeah, I still don't know their names, forgive me. And I haven't seen a teaser for this, so I have no idea what to expect. But based on their history, they're gonna eat it up, I reckon. Okay, let's get into this. It's very short, it's only 2 minutes and 15 seconds, which is annoying for a group. But whatever, let's do this. Okay. The honk. Alright. Ooh. Oh, this angle, the pink car, the pink outfits. I love their outfits. Oh. They look good. I love the outfits. That move. The lyrics, I love it. Okay, rap. I love this shot. All these like angles are amazing. Oh, look at their makeup, gorgeous. Get on the what? Beep, beep. I love the beep beep, but the dancing skills are next level. Oh, this is such a good summer song. It's so fun. Oh, such a summer party anthem. The lighting is amazing. It's like they are glowing. Not the... Oh, that was so short. That was too quick. Oh my god. I mean, once again, they ate it up. I'm not surprised at this point. The outfits, hair, makeup, gorgeous. The production was really well made. It was like outside for like the whole thing, but the lighting, the like camera quality and the lighting was like next level. The dance again, come on. I love when they do those little tricks and flips and whatever. Their dance skills are like next level. Lyrics was fun, super cunty, great rap. Yeah, vocals amazing. These girls are so underrated. I'm like looking at their subscriber count right now. I'm surprised they're not at like 1 million at least. Like, it's guys, let's subscribe to them. Yeah, and I'm reading the description. They have a debut album coming out called Island Girl. That's gonna be fun, I reckon, next month. Anyways, I hope you enjoy my reaction. Let's support these queens in their comeback. And yeah, if they make another music video from this album, I'm sure they will. I'm definitely gonna react to it. So please like and subscribe to my channel for that. And I'll see you next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.